502E, MYOB Essentials, create customer contacts. We're going to create some customer contacts in MYOB Essentials before we issue invoices. So first, click on the Contacts tab, then on Create Contact. So make sure the contact is a customer, and we're going to enter the business name. And you can enter the primary contact, so you can enter the first and last name, but we're just going to enter the email address. You can also enter additional email addresses on the right hand side here. So we're going to leave the phone and mobile blank and scroll down to the street address. So once you're done, you can click on Save or Save and Add Another. So I'm going to click on Save and Add Another. So that contact has been saved and you're ready to create a new one.